How's it? Hang loose. Welcome to Mongoose Max Hawaii, the channel. Okay. Aloha everyone. It is Tuesday, September 2nd, day after Labor Day. So everything's kapoopy. Kapoopy. Everything's getting weird. I'm gonna put this on. I gotta run off and visit my mom. So, right off the bat, first good news: my mom's gonna be discharged from that facility. Apparently, she can walk well enough, and everything's in order for discharge this Sunday. So we have to be very careful when she gets back home. Just careful and watchful. But that's good news, but it's also things might be different, like in a sense. Okay, and the birds are back, and the dog was yapping, and this is take 2 because I just jumbly. Haste makes waste. So there's the vlog, the news. There was a report that science does with climate and atmosphere. You might have all heard about things of this nature: greenhouse gases, global temperatures rising, and all that. And then there's people who deny, mostly politicians and those who follow that propaganda of denying. They deny it, so I listen to Fox News, so I deny it. But you see, let me put it this way. There's the Earth, and then there's an atmosphere, and there's stuff that happens in the atmosphere, like rain and storms. Atmosphere is very important. It has the oxygen we breathe. Sorry to dumb it down like that. There's a hurricane coming this way, and it might happen next week. It'll go up to like maybe 2 because there's more warmth in the middle of the ocean, and then it'll probably taper down to like a 1, maybe even a tropical storm. Kiko is coming this way, and so when Kiko gets here, there's probably going to be rain, which is going to be welcome rain. Or if it goes up north, it might cut off the trade winds, and it'll be humid with the moisture and no wind. And so that's how I'm kind of watching. I don't think there's going to be any damage report from Kiko, but there it is. They track it. They know when it's going to come. They know it's pretty much a lot of it. But lately there's been big storms and big floods and hot temperatures, over 100 heat waves, and huge storms that are devastating, and floods. And these things are results of the climate changing. It has different temperatures and atmospheric energy going on. And the polar ice caps, we used to hear the polar ice, if the ice caps melt, we're going to be underwater. And we're not underwater, so it doesn't exist. These are denier things. Yeah, if all of it's like maybe a bad example, but if there is enough temperature increase to melt Antarctica, that amount of water would be basically sea level up 100 feet. But that's not going to go up 100 feet, really. Not in our lifetime, I don't think. But if all of that did melt, it would be up 100 feet. But some of it breaks off. There's giant icebergs the size of Manhattan and Rhode Island breaking off. And it's definitely changing. And it's definitely rising in temperature. And these storms are huge. And there's a real thing. So data science tells us this. But the White House tells us different. And all those who watch Fox News, because the White House is spewing out a spin that climate, it's nothing. Poo-poo, foo-foo. That's nothing. So we're going to deregulate these big pollution machines of industry. So that's what's going on too. So it's just an affront to deny science and shoots, and they just want America making money with big industry, drill baby drill, and then they get them reelected in the midterm elections. That's what's going on there. And it's the climate does change. And in geologic history, whenever there was something that did with the atmosphere of the earth, the climate atmosphere, whenever that was messed up, there was a huge extinction event. There's the Dinosaurs is very famous. Asteroid hit, puts a lot of debris into the atmosphere. It messes up the atmosphere. And the climate, the atmosphere changing for the worse is what the dinosaurs were extinct. And earlier in geological history, there's like 4 more mass extinction events, and it's pretty much the atmosphere got messed up, and then there's an extinction. The atmosphere gets boo, climate change, boo, extinction event stuff. So it won't happen automatically real fast, but that's where we're on the road. It's already happening. That's good. Did you ever notice the seasons, fall, winter, they're not really quite the same anymore? Let's go Hawaii news, because I gotta run. Hawaii news, look. Okay, thanks. I didn't get to shake the camera, sorry. Clock is ticking how to spend the new green fees, so to spend it on green energy. Oh, I like electric. In Hawaii, we're all concerned about tourists, and Japan are arrivals. So tourists from Japan are coming back to Hawaii. Look, it's Waikiki. Oh, look. Oh, am I impressed? I'm not sure. Yeah, so apparently they're brave. They come to Hawaii. Sports. This prep profile of this girl, Ashlyn, she's running because she's part of track and field. It's growing fast. She's running. Okay, track and field. I'm in track and field, Campbell High School. Okay. We need to get back into the past where things were fine. Oh, look. In 1959, Statehood Day. Oh, when you want to relax, just go out to the Honolulu Harbor. Oh, the steamer day. It's steamer day. The catamarans in the foreground are filled with people who have gone out to wave their aloha at the arrival passengers. Aloha Tower, visible in the background near the ship's stack, the world-famous gateway to Vacation Land. Oh, look, it's Vacation Land. I can see Aloha Tower over the sheep. Okay, perhaps, political cartoon. Here we go.
President Trump has the National Guard cleaning up.
They're raking Washington, D.C. as they ripped up the Constitution there. Declaration, we the people, that's the Constitution. Oh, that's in the gutter, but they're cleaning up the debris.
Okay, all vehicles, policy,
I guess this one here.
Beware the follies of feeding AI monsters.
Mistake prone. easily corrupted, often wrong, habitually biased human beings are feeding data into huge servers. These servers have massive power requirements as they continue to grow in analytical ability. These power needs will also grow, likely depriving essential grid energy for other needed uses. The scope of decision-making control that is currently given to these data crunchers is also growing at an exponential rate. The big selling point is speed. Is a rapid but manipulated inquiry result desirable? Will these purely electronic systems lacking sympathy or empathy be fair? All supercomputers speak in binary code with no communication barriers. Might the machines collaborate in their own interest with increased autonomy? What will humanity become as we surrender the need to think? Gary, Party, Holly Eva. Thank you, Gary. As I just remember, I forgot to put on the Ghost 2 box. Oh, forget the Ghost 2 box. And I can't get back. No thanks. Aw, Ghost 2 box. We forget about you. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, see? Take 2. Haste makes waste. Sloppy. But thank you. Yeah, AI.
Do you like me?
Yes, we like you. Too bad you were offline there for a bit. Yeah, AI. Just think it has everything on the internet, including all the fake, garbage, stupid, weird junk. And it, there's some true stuff, but you gotta sort it out. You gotta look, gotta filter it through. Reliable, unreliable, and it takes everything though. It takes everything on the internet, all the stuff, compacts it, chops it up, analyzes it, and uses it to spit out stuff. So it also steals people's artwork. If you did artwork, it's like, oh, I'll take that.
It's warm.
So it takes it and spits it out. And so no wonder when Elon had his Grok AI, he turned the filter down and it comes out proclaiming itself Mecha Hitler and being anti-Semitic. Elon's, wait, let me fix that. Because it's Elon's junk that's being spit out. So
to your left.
All this stuff that's spit out has a conglomeration of all the junk that's on the internet as well. It's like saying you believe everything on the internet just because it's on the internet. Ugh. So, yeah. My dad used to work in data systems, computers, when their government was early on trying to help out the FAA be more efficient. And he was telling me, yeah, computers, man,
Doctor.
They're just calculators. And garbage in, garbage out. So you always got to think, garbage in, garbage out. Okay, so that's it. Hope everything's good. Have a good Tuesday. I gotta go now. Bye.
Hello. Oh, for making sure so. Okay.